Children, very pleasant morning to all dear. So, today we will start the topic Gram Sabha. Now, what is Gram Sabha? In general language, Gram Sabha means to collect the villagers. Village meeting is like legislative assembly. So, what collect the villagers means to collect the villagers. Meeting, it's like legislative assembly. It's like legislative assembly where meeting is there. Okay, all the elderly people of the village are considered as the members of Gram Sabha. Those persons who are elderly people in village means those who are elder than us, they are considered as the member of Gram Sabha. All of they are supposed to remain present. All elder from the village are supposed to remain present. Have right to cast vote and even to put the proposal. So in Gram Sabha, what all the members of elders members came together in village, sit in one place, and they decide that what thing should be done. All persons proposal is needed there. Not that single person will only rule. We can say that I want to suppose do this roads very good, new construction is there. Then you can put your proposal and you can cast your vote against in favor of the person that you think this is good. So you can cast also the vote. The Gram Panchayat is required to organize Gram Sabha at least twice a year. So the period of it is a twice a year. 2 times in a year it is there. Sarpanch is the chairman of Gram Sabha. Sarpanch, who is the head of Gram Sabha, we can say Sarpanch. Meeting of Gram Sabha is called after prior information. What is called after prior information? Office is from, now see the 16.4 figure, village meeting. So all the elders people came together, said, and the head is standing and speaking. So he is called Sarpanch. So they are deciding and it is occurring in a twice a year, and it is called after prior information. So offices of like taluka and district level remain present in this meeting. So taluka level officers and district levels should remain present in this meeting. Along with them, government employees of the villages also remain present. Government employee, taluka and district level remain present in this meeting. Priority of development work to be done by Gram Panchayat is decided. That what the priority means, which is important first than any other thing, should be put and should be decided that. Various problems of village such as village road, drinking water, cleanliness, light education, health, etc. are discussed. Now village road, some roads may cause accident because no proper construction is done. So what? They make proper construction. They decide what is a priority. That drinking water is a priority. So all the people will go water. First so what priority? That if first we will construct the road, then no accident will occur. But then what is the thing? If we will provide drinking water, then it is also priority. So priority should be decided first and then have to implement on that. Each and every member of Gram Panchayat should be aware and remain present in Gram Sabha. Aware that what is happening in that village particular, should all of them are aware. The village problems and development work should be discussed. Then only transparent administration and the purpose of the Gram Sabha will be successful. Village problem, what is the main problem of it? Construction, water, light or any other things. They should decide first. That all the Gram Panchayat elders should aware that what is happening in their village. They have to decide their priority first. Then only the transparent administration and the purpose. First all have to decide that what thing should be done first, what next, like that it should be decided. And through this only purpose the Gram Sabha will become successful. If only one person decide all the things, then it would not be successful, because they will not keep all the people in center. So they may not aware of all the realistic situation now. So here if it's successful by the transparent administration. Now activity. Visit Sarpanch and Talatikam minister and collect the following information. First, population of your village, number of male and female voter of the village. So now this is the activity. So activity that visit Sarpanch and Talati cum minister. Population of village, what is the population, how many male persons are there, and how many female voters are there. Voter means those who are above the age of 18. You have to collect the information. How many total wards are there in your village, how many members are there, how many women are there, you have to collect. And the list of development work done by Gram Panchayat, that Gram Panchayat is doing which type of activity, housing, drinking water, health, you have to collect the list of development. Now things to know. Samras Gram Panchayat. When Gram Panchayat is constituted with the consent of all without oppose, then in Gujarat, then this type of Gram Panchayat is called Samras Gram Panchayat. Now what is Samras Gram Panchayat? Oppose, what is there? When I am telling you that we will conduct a test daily, many of the students will have no oppose that no ma'am, we cannot do daily test, please ma'am provide this type of material, please ma'am provide these things, like that you are oppose is there. So here Gram Panchayat is formed without any opposition, so this is known as Samras Gram Panchayat, and the scheme was implemented in Gujarat by Gram Panchayat. So it is implemented by Gram Panchayat. Housing Development and Rural Development Department in October 2001. Which year? In October 2001. With the objectives of developing unity, cooperation, harmony and integration. These four are the main objective of it among the villages. That harmony should be there, cooperation, integration, all the things should be there. Okay. Special grant is allotted if the Gram Panchayat becomes Samras, that is all the member including Sarpanch and women are elected unanimously. The Gram Sabha decide how to utilize the grant. That here means what special grant is allotted. That if the Gram Panchayat, all the members like females and male both together work and elected unanimously, means without any bias, without any discrimination like that. The Gram Sabha should decide how to utilize the grant. As per the decision of Gram Sabha, this grant is used for development work. So special grant is provided for the development work. If Gram Panchayat becomes Samras continuously for 4 times, then government allots a special grants. 4 times Samras means without any opposed Gram Panchayat is working, then government allows a special grant, means special promotion type. The government has announced this scheme to ensure that village panchayat election do not create unhappiness, excitement and unanimity in the village. That this scheme should not, unhappiness means people will sad if they do not take the views of other person also. So they become unhappiness, then unanimity, unhappiness in excitement in the village. So this should not be done. So the scheme should be like that all people become happy, unity, harmony, cooperation should be there. Okay. Now Taluka Panchayat. So Taluka Panchayat is at the second level after the Gram Panchayat in a local self-government. Where it's in the chart. First is Gram Panchayat, then what is Taluka Panchayat. Now what is the formation or composition of it? The number of seats of Taluka Panchayat are decided accordingly to ratio of population. That if population is there, means population is there 100, out of that ratio should be decided, like that Panchayat is done. There are minimum 16 and maximum 32 elected members. Minimum what? 16 and maximum 32 in Taluka Panchayat office. 50% seats are reserved for the women out of them. 50% of male and 50% of women. So both should be treated equally. Voters of this seats elect the members of Taluka Panchayat. President and Vice President of Taluka Panchayat elected by the elected members on the basis of majority. Now in everything, voters is there. If you cast the vote against this A person, suppose we take A or B, okay? If you vote A, more number of vote cast to them than comparison to B, then A will become the Taluka Panchayat head, like that president, because he will see what they will see, that what is the majority number of vote is there in A group, yeah, in B group. and if is in A group, then which person had get more vote, they will make them president or vice president. According to this, it works. As well as from this elected members, executive committee, social justice committee, etc. were from. So executive committee, social justice, that who will implement the plan, who will see the social justice, like that this will form. First, how many members are there? Minimum 16 and maximum 32. So we will end the lecture here today. In next lecture we will continue with our Taluka Panchayat. Thank you dear children.